Good morning, class. Standard 8 PT. The basketball terms continuations. So last week we saw full court press is the last. Now next, give and go. Give and go. The offensive players passes and then goes for a return pass. Give both ways. To use of the right and the left hand instead of using only one. Next, guard. 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 The act of defending against an offensive opponent. Also a player's position. The player in that positions. Next heading, cunning the ball. Shooting the ball too much when the teammates are in better positioned. Next, off-court press. A pressure employed in the backcourt of the defending team. Next heading, hand off. HANDOFF. Handing of the ball from one player to another. Next, held ball. This is important terms. When two opponents have one or both hands on the ball but cannot take possession without undue roughness. Next, hip pads. Equipment worn to prevent injury to the hip. HAP. Next heading, hook shot. HOOK. Hook shot. A one-handed shot which is attempted with one hand with wide swinging motion. The player is not fully facing the basket and is under pressure. Next heading, inbounds play. A set play to score when the ball is passed in under one's own basket. Next, inside. The area close to the basket. When the offensive player reaches there, it is easy to him to score. Next heading, inside player. The player taking positions near the basket is usually the tallest man and can do close range shooting. Next, intentional foul. This is also important to learn. An intentional personal foul, the offender can be disqualified. Jump ball. This is also important to say every basketball game. The game will start with a jump ball. A ball thrown by an official in the air between two opposing players at the start of the 2 or 4 periods after a double foul. Jump ball will take place. Next, jump pass. A pass attempted when the feet are not on the ground. Next, jump shot. A player jumps and shoots over an opponent. It is a two-handed distant shot. Next heading, jump dump. Jump dump pass, jump pass. 3 in 1. Jump dump, jump dump pass, jump pass. A pass that is given downwards, usually a shot to betray the opponent. Next heading, key, K-E-Y, key. A joint keyhole-like shaped area under the basket, equivalent to football penalty area. The attacking players cannot remain in this area more than 3 seconds. Next heading, knee guard. Equipment for protecting a player's knee from injury. That is a kneecap. Normally you call kneecap. Next heading, lane up. A close in shot usually of the bang board such that it is momentum carries it into the basket. Next heading, lay up. This is also important. One-handed shot from under the basket. Next heading, lead pass. A pass not made directly to an advancing teammate, but in his path so that he may take the ball while advancing without lessening his speed. Next, live ball. This is the importance of terms. The ball is live ball when it is in the process of being played, that is, when a player taps it in a jump ball, when it is thrown in, or during a free throw. And next heading, lob, low pass, lob, L-O-B. A pass sent high in air over the defense. It often allows time for the defense to get to it. Next heading, loose man to man. A man to man defense until offensive players are within a certain distance of the basket. Next heading, man to man. A defense system in which players are assigned to particular players to the opposite team irrespective of where they are. This is also termed as man-to-man defense. Next heading, man-to-man offense. Any offensive system in which the offensive players are against a particular defending player. Next heading, man-to-man press. A guarding system in which a player is pressed against the other player of the team immediately on its getting the ball and before its advancement to the other end. Next heading, match up zone. A zone to zone defense looking as if man to man defense. This is called match up zone. Next, a moving screen. A player creating a screen while on the move. Next, multiple foul. This is also important terms. A simultaneous commitment of a personal foul by two or more players on the same opponent. The player who is fouled receives 2 throws, whereas each offending player is charged with a foul. Now next I'll come to the offhand, OFF. That is normally offhand means the weak hand call offhand. Normally everyone has left hand is a weak hand. Maximum commonly every human having left hand is a weak hand. We can't do much more in a left hand. That is called weak hand in basketball. Offhand, the weaker hand usually left. Offense. In basketball, it stands for attack. Offense means attacking. Good morning, class. Stay safe. Stay at home.